Hey there, and welcome to WP Beginner Podcast today. Have you been struggling to grow your business and get more leads? I totally feel you. Connecting with potential customers in a genuine way is tough these days when everyone seems glued to their phones. But what if I told you that using some interactive content on your website could totally transform how you engage your audience and build those relationships? I know it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me here. In this episode, we'll dive into my favorite interactive lead generation techniques that will help you build a loyal community eager to hear more from you. Depending on your niche and strategies, you can expect your conversion rates to increase by 50 to 300% when using these tactics. Let's go ahead and explore. Quizzes are lead generation gold mines. And who doesn't love those fun personality quizzes that seem to spread everywhere on social media? There's a reason they go viral. People can't get enough of discovering more about themselves. When given the choice between filling out a form or taking a fun quiz that reveals something personal, they'll pick the quiz every time. Once visitors are hooked answering questions, they'll be far more willing to hand over their email for the results. Well-designed quizzes can achieve lead gen rates as high as 50% by turning passive visitors into active participants. The key is creating a quiz aligned with your industry and audience. Personality quizzes uncover hidden traits. Trivia quizzes test knowledge, survey quizzes gather opinions, and compatibility quizzes help find the perfect product match. Give it a try. Tactic number 2, the power of interactive calculators. We all have to make tricky decisions where we think, I wish I knew exactly how much I could save by doing this, or will this investment really pay off? Interactive calculators are so effective because they take the uncertainty away and give real personalized results. Instead of just reading about potential benefits, your audience can input their details and see concrete numbers. Suddenly, your product or service becomes tangible and the benefits are within reach. Create custom calculators that address key concerns for your audience. A cost savings calculator for eco friendly products or a retirement planning calculator for financial services work great. Keeping it relevant builds trust and positions you as a helpful resource. Number 3, engage and learn using polls and surveys. It's easy to feel like you're always talking at your audience instead of having a two-way conversation. But polls and surveys turn monologues into dialogues. People love sharing opinions when they know their feedback is valued. You also gain insights into content preferences, user experience issues, and product refinements. With easy WordPress poll plugins like user feedback, you can have engaging polls up in no time without slowing your site down. Number 4, use gamification to turn visitors into loyal fans. No one gets thrilled about filling out forms, but gamification makes interacting with your brand fun. Game elements like spin the wheel discounts or loyalty programs that reward points tap into our competitive spirits. When you add a little fun to lead gen, visitors spend more time on your site and associate your brand with positive feelings. Make it relevant to your audience so the rewards enhance the experience rather than just give freebies away. Number 5, capture attention using lightbox pop-ups. Have you noticed those attention-grabbing pop-ups that overlay site content with a specific offer or message? While average pop-ups convert at 2 to 5%, some clients have seen lightbox pop-ups boost conversions by 600%. Use them to highlight email signups, social media follows, limited time discounts, or upcoming webinars. The key is clarity. Make sure your CTA stands out against the dimmed background. Pop-ups can enhance the experience when done right. Number 6, grow your email list with social media contests. Contests get people excited. Attract new followers and email subscribers by running social media contests using WordPress giveaway plugins like RafflePress. Let contestants earn more entries by liking Facebook pages, following Instagram, or visiting your YouTube. Everyone loves the chance to win something fun. Contests create a positive brand experience and help grow your audience across multiple platforms. Talk about a win-win. Number 7, make forms simpler with progressive profiling. Let's be real. No one wants to fill out long, complicated forms. Abandonment rates skyrocket the more questions you ask up front. Progressive profiling takes things one step at a time, gathering info gradually in short interactions. Think friendly conversation, not stressful job interview. Show progress bars, use smart conditional logic to skip irrelevant questions, and only ask for what you need right now. Taking it slow keeps completion rates high. Number 8, webinars are high impact lead generators. Want to establish yourself as an industry expert? Host live webinars. 95% of marketers use them because they attract engaged audiences eager to hear your knowledge. Webinars build trust through real-time interaction and Q&As. Choose compelling topics to share your expertise, answer burning questions, and leave people wanting more. Number 9, make data irresistible with interactive infographics. Infographics transform boring data into something people actively engage with. Interactive elements like sliders, clickable hotspots, and hover effects make the experience hands on. Simplify complex info into manageable chunks that users explore at their pace. Tell a story that keeps people interested as they uncover insights themselves. On the Opt-in Monster site, a slider lets you see how their product impacts conversion rates. Find creative ways to turn static images into something experiential. Number 10, let users download interactive lead magnets. Lead magnets like free ebooks help grow email lists, but static PDFs don't stand out anymore. Interactive lead magnets deliver personalized value through quizzes, calculators, demos, and other digital experiences. For example, an interactive buyer's guide with clickable product comparisons is more engaging than a plain PDF. Many online courses with quizzes and progress tracking bring educational content to life. Tools like Beacon make it easy to integrate interactive lead magnet delivery with email services. Think outside the box. Number 11, generate leads 24/7 with chatbots. Have you abandoned an online purchase because you couldn't get a quick question answered? Chatbots provide instant 24/7 support so users get help in real time. Easy WordPress chatbot software can answer FAQs, qualify leads, and collect data while referring tricky questions to human reps. Take a look at our Archibot on Opt-in Monster to see it in action. Follow this guide to adding chatbots in WordPress. They bridge the gap between static sites and personalized experiences. Well, those are my top tips for boosting leads through interactivity. Building genuine connections takes effort, but it pays off with loyal, happy customers. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thanks for listening.